Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As promised, I told you that I'll be giving you daily updates, daily analysis, and then at the end of the day, I'll be coming back to show you exactly what happened, how did the prediction went and why it did the same or why it didn't happen. So, as promised yesterday, this was the level that I was looking at. This was the level that I was looking at. I told you that I'm expecting the market to come. By yesterday, the market was around this area. So I told you that I'm expecting the market to come here and then it moves this way. So I wanted to trade around this area and then I trade in the bearish direction because we saw from yesterday's prediction that the daily was bearish, H4 was bullish, and the H1 was bearish. So all I was waiting for is the M15 to turn bearish, and this what exactly what happened. Let me just break it down to show you exactly how I made around $500 trading Euro USD. So let me just recap those who are not around. As I told you, on the daily, we saw that the daily was bearish because the market had broken market structure. And when you go to H4, we saw that H4 had turned bullish around this level. Why? Because the H4 had broken up this level and then it broke here market structure, it broke here market structure, and broke here market structure. So our H4 was bullish, and we explained why I don't call this a breakout structure. This is just a liquidity sweep for the market maybe to move up. So I always take this as a sweep of liquidity, hence making the H4 bullish, not the bearish. Yeah. So when I drop to the H1, I told you that I'm expecting the market to react on this level, and this is exactly what happened. I'm gonna show you how I enter this trade. So the mark was here. Let me move to the 15 minutes because all what I was waiting for on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, the market came. The market came from here. This is it came. It entered my point of interest, continued to push, and then out of the blue, it swept liquidity. Okay, I was waiting patiently. Here it stopped hunted again. The liquidity which had swept, it stopped hunted, and then on this level, it came again and swept this liquidity which was lying around here. So I decided to be patient again to see if there is another break of structure again. So this break of structure happened here. So normally if the break of structure happened, what I wait for is like this. Let me draw something. So if maybe if we have a bearish trend M15 like this, so all I'm waiting for is a breakout structure. Okay, and when I see that, I also when I see that, I normally just wait for a liquidity sweep before I trade in the exact direction. So all I was waiting for is a sweep of liquidity. I expected this level to be swept by this, but it never swept. It only swept this one. It went again, it also here it just created another liquidity and waited for this level to be also swept. So the moment I saw that the liquidity around this level is swept, that's where I entered the trade from, and then I kept it until it reached a 1 to 3. So that was today's trade, and I'm gonna be giving you another analysis. Let me see what we have for tomorrow. Maybe we'll review. So everything is done. I'm going to give you what I expect tomorrow. Let me clear my chart. The daily, the daily is still bearish. You know that. So when we go to the H4, H4 have turned bearish, which is very, very clear. H4 has turned bearish. So H4, so H4 is also bearish now around this level. H1 H1 is also bearish. So what am I waiting for tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm waiting to see how the market will react around this level to also, and I'll be selling in that direction. So that's what I'm expecting. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming back to show you exactly if it happened or not. I'll be telling you. But so far, this looks super clean. I'll be waiting for that.